Hi, good evening to you, our special subscribers to our CDP Labs Edu Services channel, and of course to those who are viewing this video on various different WhatsApp accounts and wherever social media accounts that you are seeing this video from. Good evening. Of course, I'm Ronnie Bernard, teacher for CDP Labs Edu Services. Now, CDP Labs Edu Services is one of the 4 schools that comes together to form Jamaica Online School Association. Now, you're now looking at a picture of one of our students who took a picture of her practical activity which was done during a live online interactive chemistry class for CSEC. And of course, another student recorded a video that she did for the class in the same chemistry class in a different location online for online interactive CSEC class chemistry. Now, in this class they were using vinegar plus baking soda, and as you can see, that combination had caused a gas to escape and of course caused the balloon to be blown up without using their mouth. So we're inviting you to come and have fun, come and learn in this student-centered program, come and learn in this online interactive program, come and learn. And of course, we offer CSEC classes in sciences, business subjects, language arts, and mathematics. Of course, we have a free 3 weeks trial that you can also participate in before you decide to join the classes on hold. So come on, register with us now. Register and be a student within the JOSA program, Jamaica Online School Association. You can either register with CDP Labs Edu Services if you feel free. Go to the website www.cdplabseduservices.com. Sign up now.